All right, what's going on? Yeah, we got a situation going on because you all up north left your gate open, and you know, you got this cold coming down here, hanging out on my lawn. Yeah, big ol' ice storm. Trees are all super heavy, hanging all low, breaking. That tree down on the Corvette just split right down, came right down. It was kind of, you know, well, we'll go down and check it out, but all right, ice storm, tree on Corvette. Not good, not good, not good. Super cedar tree fell right on the car. So hopefully we're gonna start cutting it away here. Hopefully we don't have no damage. It looks like, since it didn't totally, I might have chicken for dinner. Anyways, stupid chicken. Since it didn't totally fall, it kind of, yeah, we need to cut that off of there and see what happened. Looks like it hit right here, and the glass is still on there, but the tarp is so frozen I can't get nothing off. So yeah, but it seems like it's okay. Like I said, right there is where the T-top is. So I think we dodged the bullet. But yeah, we'll definitely update. Yeah, I think she's gonna be all right. That's a close one. Got some other trees I might need to take care of. Yeah, she split right there. I had to cut trees in the front. The oak trees were hanging on, almost touching the ground, and I didn't want them to break. So here's where I had to cut the limbs down from the tree right here. It was practically down on the ground. And this is one of the reasons why when we built the house, we put it right here, because of the way these oak trees come over, and they come over the path, and that was practically touching the ground too, and I didn't want that to break. So yeah, I had to cut some down there. Like I said, you want the tree coming down. These live oaks, they like to really, you know, come out long and lean. So that's pretty cool. I trimmed some of those up. It's just it rained so much before it started to freeze, and everything got so heavy. So but I think we dodged a bullet right here for sure. Yeah, I'm glad it's only for a couple of days. I can't imagine living back up north where it's like this for freaking 4 months. Anyways, we deal with it for a couple of days. So, yeah. we'll do an update on the Corvette. I mean, I can't even get the tarp off to see if we had any stress crack or anything. I mean, if anything, there's no major damage. But yeah, I think we definitely dodged the bullet on that one. But we'll do that as soon as it starts to thaw out a little bit. We'll pull that tarp off there and see if anything, it hit that fiberglass right there above the window, and hopefully. But yeah, I think we're gonna do a video on this car. This is Gina's old car, and I tell you what, it's badass. So I need to get that thing out, get it fired up, and drive it, and do the burnout, and get it going. Start driving it. All right. Ooh, almost. Oh, hell yeah. All right, we're stuck home. We're stuck at home, so, we're just trying to find stuff to do, My hands are already numb, so we're gonna go in, get warmed up, have some chili, some cornbread. But we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching.